Want to organize your sales teams by regions or departments? Here's how to set up territory management in Zoho CRM. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert CRM tips. Open Zoho CRM and click the setup icon in the top right corner. Under the users and control section, select territory management. If this is your first time, click enable to activate the feature. Next, click create territory, enter a name, description and assign a territory manager. This will be the person responsible for leads and deeds in this area. Use criteria like geography, industry, revenue or lead source to define how records are automatically assigned to each territory. Add users to your territory and specify their roles. These users will have access only to data within their assigned territories, keeping your CRM organized and secure. You can nest territories within each other to create a hierarchy, perfect for managing large teams across multiple regions. Click Save and your territory is now live. You've successfully set up territory management to streamline your sales process. Like and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tutorials.